Welcome back to our channel, Technologymedia. Today, we're going to share some valuable tips and tricks on how to get 1 million views on your videos in just 1 week. Yes, you heard that right. So grab a pen and paper because you're about to learn some game-changing strategies. Let's dive right in. Don't forget to share this with your friends, and also make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Tip number 1, captivating content. The key to getting 1 million views is to create content that grabs attention from the very first second. Start with a strong hook or an intriguing question. Remember, viewers have short attention spans, so make sure your video is engaging, informative, and entertaining. Tip number 2, optimize for search. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Conduct thorough keyword research using tools like Google Trends or YouTube Analytics to find out what people are searching for. By optimizing your videos, you increase the chances of appearing in search results and attracting more viewers. Tip number 3, eye-catching thumbnails. A visually appealing thumbnail can make a huge difference in attracting viewers. Choose a high-resolution image that accurately represents the content of your video. Add bold, legible text and bright colors to make your thumbnail stand out among the sea of other videos. Tip number 4, collaborate with influencers. Leveraging the power of influencers in your niche can significantly boost your visibility. Reach out to popular YouTubers or social media personalities who share a similar audience and propose collaboration ideas. When they feature your video or channel, their followers are likely to check out your content, increasing your chances of reaching that 1 million view milestone. Tip number 5, promote on social media. Don't limit your video's exposure to just YouTube. Utilize social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to share teasers, snippets, or behind-the-scenes footage of your video. Engage with your audience, ask them to share, like, and comment on your content. The more people you can reach, the higher the chances of reaching that 1 million view goal. Tip number 6, trending topics and challenges. Keep an eye on the latest trends and challenges in your niche or the overall internet culture. Creating content around these popular topics can give your video a viral boost. Put your unique spin on the trend, be creative, and make sure it aligns with your channel's style and content. Tip number 7, cross-promotion and guest appearances. Collaborate with other creators within your niche and appear as a guest on their channels. This cross-promotion strategy helps you tap into their audience, exposing your content to new viewers who may be interested in what you have to offer. Remember, collaboration is key. Tip number 8, consistency and quality. To gain a loyal subscriber base and maximize your chances of going viral, you need to consistently upload high-quality content. Establish a posting schedule and stick to it. Quality content builds trust and keeps viewers coming back for more, increasing the likelihood of your videos getting shared and recommended. Tip number 9, engage with your audience. Interact with your viewers by responding to comments, asking for feedback. Don't forget to share this with your friends, and also make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Keep learning with us. Join us in community further more discussion.